Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you have seen my previous videos, if not, my name is Shauna. I am a New York City based model, visual artist, and makeup lover. On Instagram, I call myself the Alien Mermaid Barbie. That is my hashtag I use for all of my posts. And today I wanted to sit down and do a look inspired by the colors of the trans pride flag. It is Pride Month. We are coming towards the end of it. And I just felt like sitting down and doing something that actually was a little more pulled back for me, at least the outfit. The look is going to be fairly bold, though simple, but I think there's something to be said for appreciating yourself as you are and not feeling like you have to put on a show all the time and that you have to always be extravagant. We should be proud of ourselves in all our various forms. And while it is going to be a glam look, the look isn't like tulle everywhere or like super high heels. Like I'm gonna be wearing like a more casual boot, still heeled. But yeah, I just think that it's really important to always be proud of ourselves and to know that we're good enough exactly as we are. So with that in mind, I am going to be doing a blue and pink primarily look. I'm going to be using the Strength eyeshadow from the Doubledown Cosmetics The Future collection that they did in collaboration with Media J. And I'm also going to be using the Cosmic eyeshadow both on the eyes and the cheeks. And then I'm also going to be using the standard eyeshadow probably just to add some dimension in the crease. And then for the lip, I'm going to keep it simple and use the Punk Tinted Lip Balm by Doubledown. So yeah, and then I realized in my PR package from Pacifica, there was actually like a separate compartment that I had no idea was there. And so I actually have which one is the primer? I have the primer as well that you use before using the Vegan Collagen Mascara. So I'm going to, for the first time, try using both of those together. I don't generally use primers for lashes. I'm not exactly sure how much of an effect that has, but I thought why not try it since I sent it along. So yes, I hope that everyone is having a good Pride Month. I hope that whether or not you're participating in festivities, I'm actually not myself. I personally don't feel comfortable in crowds yet, but yes, I hope that you're doing well, and let's get into the look. First, I'm going in with the Cosmic Blush from Doubledown Cosmetics, and I am using it as an eyeshadow. Most makeup products, honestly, are multi-purpose. It just depends on how you want to use them. So I'm taking this in and above the crease, and I'm blending it pretty far out, basically to the brow, and then I also ended up winging it out a bit. And now I'm going in with a little bit of the standard blush, again from Doubledown. Almost everything is from Doubledown, so I'm not going to say the brand unless it's not from them. And I just use this to add a little bit of dimension in the crease. And now I'm going in with the Strength eyeshadow. It is a blue, mostly matte eyeshadow, and I am placing this all over the lid. And now I'm taking the Cosmic again, and I'm just placing this underneath the eye and connecting it where I've winged out the shape on the upper section. And I'm going in with the Strength again, and I'm just placing a little bit in the center below the lid. And now for the inner eye highlight color, I am going in with the Fortune highlighter. And now I'm just taking a cream colored eye pencil and putting that in the waterline. And to prep the lashes, I'm just curling them, and then I'm trying out the lash primer. I will say that I wasn't particularly crazy about this, and for me personally, I didn't really find it to add that much. I feel like it's fine, honestly, to just curl your lashes and go straight in with the mascara. So now I'm just going in with the Vegan Collagen Mascara and adding that to the top and bottom lashes. I am just going in with a Cosmic blush and using it as an actual blush, and I'm draping it and doing it more 80s style, where I go from the apple of the cheek, but really a little bit farther back than that, and I pull it all the way up into the temples, and it kind of just blends into the eyeshadow. And now I'm just going in with the Fortune highlighter again and using it as the actual face highlighter on the cheeks, the nose, and the Cupid's bow. And now for lips, I'm just going in with the Punk Tinted Lip Balm. It is a reddish pink lip balm. Look, it definitely is what I was going for, using the Trans Pride flag colors. It is probably a little more intense than I planned, but I'm totally happy with that. And I love the 80s blush. I'm feeling very Gem and the Holograms. And yeah, I would say that I only really got into blush within the last year or so. And typically when I do use blush, I do make a statement with it. I don't usually use it in a more subtle way. But yes, as I said in the beginning of the video, it's important that we are proud of ourselves year-round, and that we also remember that Pride started as a protest. It was against the way people within the LGBTQ plus community were being treated, and people fought for our rights. And there's a viral video where a queen was saying that people died. People did not die during the Stonewall riots, but obviously throughout history we have lost many people within the community, whether it was to AIDS, whether it was violence, and to this day trans women, especially Black trans women, are most targeted for violence. And we still need to do better as a society. We need to do better on so many levels. I don't want to get too into that in this video because that's a whole entire conversation, but I think that it starts with everyone standing up for each other, and also, even more importantly, accepting where you are, because when you have that inner peace within and you are happy with who you are, then you have no need to find conflict with others. So keep that in mind, and let's just treat each other with compassion and kindness. And I know that's very kumbaya, but that's the place from which I operate, and that is my foundation. We are all human at the end of the day, no matter what other labels we have on top of that. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this look. Make sure you're subscribed, hit the bell notification to get notified when I upload videos. Lately, I definitely have been uploading at least 2 a week, and my goal is to get to consistently 3 videos a week. Leave me a comment down below what you did for Pride, because honestly by the time this goes up it may actually be after Pride, we'll see. But yes, I hope that you are all staying safe and well, and until next time, bye.